Oh, this is where I got turned around. Oh, you didn't even look.
Muppet.
Happy face. No, it's a boy. It's boys and boys.
Freaking Muppet.
Who is?
Behind you.
Trying to cut through.
Yeah. No.
What are you doing, sweetheart?
Continue on State Route 8 for 8 kilometers.
A few moments later. 12 seconds later.
Voucher? City beach voucher? Yeah. Alright, talk us through how you got to there.
The beach thing, when they went to the guy, those few things in the window that kind of fit the criteria. And then I've been on Telegram, Facebook, social media, and recently actually playing for Penfolds and City Beach.
That's really interesting and a very different take than what we have been having, which is always good. So, $15,200 a city beach voucher.
Oh, you numbskull. Seriously.
If you're not sure, they'd love to offer you 3 entire savings.
Maple cherry glaze. Oh, hams. We haven't had a ham for a while, have we?
Wakey wakey.
Oh, what's with people on these